Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can add fonts to PicsArt. So you don't need Pro for this. I don't have Pro, but you're just going to download a font from any site. Usually people download it from thefont.com. Download it, and then if you go to text here, there should be let me just add a text real quick. But under fonts here, so select fonts, there should be like a folder here where you can upload your own fonts later on, like maybe here or under library. I'm not sure where it will spawn because I don't have the Pro one, but you can just select it and then you can just upload your file and then upload your font file, I guess. And then here you can then change the text to whatever font you want. So yeah, that is pretty much it. Really, unfortunately, I cannot really show you, but it's going to be there for you to use if you have the Pro account. I hope this tutorial is helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.